Fine. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes, good morning to all of you. Yes, good morning, Isha, Samadnya, Ashlesha. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Let everyone join. Aditya, good morning. Yes, sir. Good morning. All right. Let everyone join. Till then, tell me what was the last point that we did. Yes, Aditi. Good morning. Kirchhoff's laws. Okay. Kirchhoff's laws. Current law and voltage law, right? Voltage law we have written definition or the rule for the second law. Okay. Fine. So for Kirchhoff's second law, we can write the mathematical statement like this. You have written the theoretical statement and the sign convention. The theoretical statement is in a closed network or in a closed loop. Close means start point, end point, ultimately same. Ultimately you return to the same point. Okay. In a closed network or a closed loop, algebraic sum of potential differences and the EMF, or algebraic sum of voltages and EMFs is equal to 0. Okay. That simply means whatever EMF is present in that entire network or loop which has been produced by the cell will be utilized across first component plus across second component plus across third component, like this. Okay, so ultimately it is conservation of energy. Cellचा EMF कसा कसा वापरला जाईल, how the EMF of the cell will be utilized. Okay, that's the concept. Fine. So mathematically, write down. Mathematically, just continue the second law. Mathematically, summation of voltages, okay, voltage across resistors, and summation EMF across cell is equal to 0, and sign convention for this we have already written. Let us write down sign convention once again so that you remember that sign convention. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. करंटच्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये तुम्ही ट्रेसिंग केलं, ट्रेसिंग म्हणजे मोशन. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Okay, sir. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Fine. Then in the opposite direction of current, voltage is positive. Voltage म्हणजे I into R. Voltage म्हणजे काय? I into R. Voltage across resistance, or voltage means potential difference, nothing else. हा झाला voltage चा rule. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. In the opposite direction of current, voltage is positive. I into R positive घ्यायचा. Okay sir. EMF चा रूल काय असेल मग? Inside cell, while you are moving inside cell, if you move inside cell from negative to positive, then take the EMF of the cell positive. Then take the EMF of cell positive. Negative to positive, EMF positive. Then positive to negative, EMF negative. Positive terminal to negative terminal, in that case, take the EMF negative. Positive to negative, EMF negative. Actually काय असतं? पोटेन्शियल राईज झाली प्लस घ्यायचं, पोटेन्शियल ड्रॉप झाला कमी झालं फॉल झाला निगेटिव्ह घ्यायचं. पोटेन्शियल राईज टेक पॉझिटिव्ह, पोटेन्शियल फॉल टेक निगेटिव्ह, पोटेन्शियल राईज टेक पॉझिटिव्ह, potential fall take negative. That's the concept which is applicable in both of these. Okay, now let us have one network R1, R2, R3, R4, battery, EMF E, circuit closed. Let us name the points. Point A, point B, point C, deliberately point D, deliberately point E, or deliberately point E. We know this point is C, this point is also C, but deliberately point E, deliberately. F, G. Okay, let us write a loop or network, closed loop or network. Let us start at point A, go to B, go to C, go to D, go to F, D to F. All these points are F, D to F. Go to G, G to A. Start point, end point same. Start point, end point same. This is your loop. This is the loop. Let us assign the current given by the battery I. This I will come here. It will split into two parts, I1 and I2. I1, I2. Same current I1 will flow in the resistance. Same current I1 will flow in the resistance R2. आता असं म्हणू नका I1 R2 का सर, I2 R2 असं करा, असं काही नाही. ओके, जो करंट घेतलाय तो घेतलाय. ओके, अदरवाइज मग इथं I1 घ्यावा लागेल. Otherwise here you have to take I1, then I1 R1 will match, I2 R2 will match. असं काय करायची गरज नाही. Let it be. I2, this I2 will flow through the R3. This I1 and I2 will combine. I split झालाय I1 आणि I2 मध्ये. मग I1 आणि I2 combine होऊन काय बनेल? Again it will create I. The current I has been split into I1 and I2. So again I1 I2 will combine and again it will form I. No need to take I4. No need to take I4. Make this current as I. I1 plus I2 combine will give you I. Here I will split into I1 and I2. Here I will split into I1 and I2. And here I2 and I1 and I2 will combine to give I. In the battery again I. Okay. चला बाळांनो बोला. ट्रेसिंग कसं करूयात? How to trace? It should be either, answer should be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. sir trace clockwise, or sir trace anti-clockwise. This is the loop A, B, C, D. Okay, if you say C to F, then there will be confusion whether it is a upward branch or the downward branch. There will be confusion if you say C, F. No, say C, D, F, G, then A. So let me trace clockwise. Let me trace clockwise. A to B, there is nothing, I will write nothing. A to B, there is nothing, I will write nothing. I started at point A, I should end at point E. So I am considering this loop A, B, C, D, F, G, A. A, B, C, D, F, G, A. This is the loop I am concerned with. This is the loop I am concerned with. Again back to A. This is the loop I am concerned with. You can trace this loop clockwise, or you can trace this loop anti-clockwise. Absolutely no problem. In both the cases, ultimately you end up with the same equation. A to B, there is nothing, only wire. I will not write anything, nothing. Now, current into resistance. Now from B to C, I into R1. B to C, I into R1. बोला बाळांनो, ट्रेसिंग कसं झालं? B to C, B to C, and current is also B to C. In the direction of current, IR is positive or negative? Reply me in the chat box. In the direction of current, voltage is, I am moving from B to C, current is also from B to C. In the direction of current, voltage is P or N, positive or negative? In the direction of current, voltage is negative. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. If the tracing is in the direction of current, voltage म्हणजे काय बाळ? Sir, IR. IR multiplication is called as voltage or potential difference. In the direction of current, IR is negative. So I am tracing from A to B. There is nothing. I wrote nothing. B to C, I into R1. I into R1. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. So minus I into R1. Now I came to point C. B to C झालं. Now C to D. C to D, there is nothing. C to D, there is nothing. So I will not write anything, or I will write nothing. C to D, nothing, only wire. I will not write anything. D to A, sorry, D to F. This point is F, this point is F, this point is F. D to F, there is I1 into R2. There is I1 into R2. I1 into R2. D to F, I am tracing from D to F. D to F, current I1 is also D to F. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. I1 into R2, negative. I1 into R2, negative. D to F. F to G. F to G. F to G. F to G, there is a resistance. So again, I into R4. I into R4. Current into resistance. I into R4. I am tracing from F to G. I am tracing from F to G. Current is also from F to G. So I am tracing in the direction of current. So voltage is negative. So I into R4 is negative. I came at point G. Then G to A. There is nothing here. Now comes battery. I am moving from G to A. It means I am moving from negative terminal of battery to positive terminal of battery. Negative to positive. I am tracing from G to A. I am tracing from G to A. I am tracing from G to A, means negative to positive potential gain. Potential gain is positive, potential fall is negative. It is always, it is true in this case, it is also true in this case. It is true in voltage case, it is true in EMF case. But generally people simply say in the direction of current voltage negative, and for battery negative to positive EMF positive, then positive to negative EMF negative. We moved from negative to positive, negative to positive, lower potential to higher potential. We moved from G to A. We moved from G to A, negative to positive, EMF E, EMF E positive is equal to is equal to 0. All the voltages plus all the EMFs according to this sign convention should be equal to 0. Should be equal to 0. Reply in the chat box, clear and written. CW. समझ लो पहले. Good. What about 1, 2, R3? 1, 2, R3. What about? About that nothing. याचा काही आता विचार करायची गरज नाही. जो लूप दिलाय त्या लूप साठी इक्वेशन लिहायला आलं पाहिजे. या आरतीचा आता काय संबंध नाही. G to A. Now you can rearrange this equation. This minus I1 R1 on the right side, minus I1 R2 on the right hand side, minus I into R4 on the right side, minus I R1 right side, minus I1 R2 right side, minus I R4 right side. That you can do. That you can do. Write down equation for the loop A, B, C, E, then F, then G, then back to A. For this loop, you write the equation. Do it. For this loop, you write the equation. A, B, C, E, F, G, A. Now don't confuse this E and this E. This E is a point, this E is EMF. त्यात काय confuse व्हायचं कारण नसावं. Or let us take this point as E dash. E dash. A, B, C, E dash, F, G, A. Back to A again. Kara. For this loop, you do it. You can trace clockwise or anti-clockwise, that is up to you. Once done, reply me small d. Once done, reply me small d. Good, Vaibhavi. Sonia. Hmm. Aditi, Alam. Good. So let us trace clockwise. A to B, there is nothing, write nothing. A to B, there is nothing, I will write nothing. B to C, I. In the direction of current, I into R is negative. Current into resistance direction of current, B to C. We move from B to C, current is also from B to C. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. So minus I into R1. I came to C. C to E dash, C to E dash, there is nothing, I will write nothing. C to E dash, there is only wire, I will not write anything, there is nothing, I will write nothing. E dash to F, E dash to F, there is a resistance I2 into R3. I moved from E dash to F, current is also from E dash to F. I moved from E dash to F, current is also from E dash to F. So I traced, I moved in the direction of current. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Current and resistance multiplication is negative. Minus I2 into R3. I came to point F. F2G, 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 I into R4, current into resistance, I into R4, I into R4. I moved from F2G, current is also from F2G. I moved from F2G, current is also from F2G. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. I into R multiplication is negative. I came to point G. I came to point G. G to A, there is battery. G to A, there is battery. I moved from G to A, means I moved from negative to positive. I moved from negative to positive. Cell मध्ये, inside cell. How was my motion or what was my motion? It was negative to positive. Inside cell, I moved from negative to positive. EMF is positive. So this value plus E, this value plus E is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Reply me in the chat box, CW. Good. C, D, F, E dash, C. Write down equation for this loop. C, D, F, E dash, C. This loop. C, D, F, E dash, C. Back to C again, back to C again. So loop. C, D, F. All these points are F. All these points are F. C, D, F, E dash, C. Once done, reply me small d. बैटरी नहीं है तर नहीं है. Good, Arsh. Okay, Vaibhavi, Sania. Aditya has given the equation. Good, correct. Your equation is right. Is equal to 0 फक्त लिहा. झिरो कोण लिहिणार? झिरो कोण लिहिणार? You can do this orally. These two are parallel branches, this branch and this branch. So this potential difference equal to this potential difference. This point is this point. Both of these points are same. Both of these points are same. So I1 R2 is equal to I2 R3 directly. Current into resistance is potential difference. This potential difference I1 R2 is equal to this potential difference I2 R3. You could have written that directly, but let us apply the rule. C to D, C to D, there is nothing, I will write nothing. D to F, D to F, in the direction of current, IR is negative, but IR is, actually I is I1, R is R2. In the direction of current, IR is, or voltage is negative, I1, R2 is negative. I came to point F. F to F, nothing. F to F, nothing. F to E dash. I moved from F to E dash. I moved from F to E dash. But current is E dash to F. Current is E dash to F. I moved from F to E dash. Current is E dash to F, rightward. I am moving from F to E dash. I am moving from F to E dash. Current is moving from E dash to F. Current E dash to F. Current E dash to F. I am moving from F to E dash. Opposite direction of current. IR is negative. IR is negative, but I is I2 and R is R3. R is R3. I came to point E dash. D to F, I into R2. I1 into R2. I1 into R2. I came to point E dash. F to E dash. E dash to C, there is nothing. E dash to E, there is nothing. I will write nothing. I came to point C, loop complete. I came to point C, loop complete. So effectively, gain in potential or rise in potential is equal to 0. See, I started at point C. मी point C ला start झालो. Potential gain झालं तर मी प्लस करायचो. Potential fall झालं तर मी मायनस करायचो. Potential rise झालं तर मी प्लस करायचो. Potential fall झालं तर मी मायनस करायचो. आणि अल्टिमेटली मी पॉइंट सी ला आलो. सी ला स्टार्ट होऊन सी ला जर आलो तर नेट गेन इन पोटेन्शियल किंवा नेट फॉल इन पोटेन्शियल 0 असेल. म्हणून बाळांनो इज इक्वल टू 0 लिहितात. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? I started at point C. Ultimately, I came to point C. So net gain or loss in potential should be equal to 0. So is equal to 0. If there is potential gain, people write plus that value. There is a fall in potential, people write minus of that value. Check करा. हे काय पाहिजे? In the opposite direction of current, I moved from F to E dash and current is from E dash to F. So I moved opposite to the current. I moved opposite to the current. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Opposite direction of current, voltage is positive. I2 into R3 positive. I2 into R3 positive. Or you could have written this directly. This on the right hand side. I2 into R3 is equal to this I1 on the right side. I1 into R2, because these two are parallel branches. These two are parallel branches. I2 into R3, I2 into R3 is equal to I1 into R2. Potential difference same असतं ना. Parallel मध्ये potential difference same. Series मध्ये current same. Okay, fine. Okay, sir. Now we can write equations for second law of Kirchhoff's or Kirchhoff's second law. Second law of circuit. Fine. So the game is of two equations, 2 unknown, and 3 equations, 3 unknown. You have to find two loops and you have to write two equations, 2 loops, 2 equations. Then you have to find two currents. Loop 2 equation दिले जातील किंवा एक completely network दिलं जाईल, out of which you have to choose 2 loops, 2 equations, 2 loop, 2 equations, find out I1, I2. म्हणजे 2 equations मिळतील, 2 current विचारतील. If there are 3 currents in the circuit, you have to write You have to find 3 loops, 3 equations. 3 loops, 3 equations. I1, I2, I3 will be unknown. I1, I2, I3 will be unknown. 3 loops, 3 equations. Solve 3 loops, 3 equations and get the answer. Is the type of question clear to all of you? Same. I told you that 2 equations, 2 unknown, 1 equation, 1 unknown, 3 equation, 3 unknown game. आपण जो गेम खेळतोय त्याच्यामध्ये आपली आता मास्टरी व्हायला पाहिजे. लॉ किंवा रूल नवीन येईल, बाकीचा गेम तोच राहील. सो बी अ प्लेयर. ओके, read the notes of rotational motion. Go through each and every point once again. थोडं ब्रेनला काम करायला लावा तुमच्या. ओके, आठवायला जरा प्रयत्न करा. काय 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 आठवते बघा. रोटेशनल मोशन काय 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 आठवते चेक करा आणि मग संडेला डिस्कस करूया. टेस्ट पण द्या मध्ये, म्हणजे अंडर दी प्रेशर ऑफ टेस्ट यू विल परफॉर्म. your brain will try to recall those top things. Okay, in this way your brain will get used to revise the previous things. थोडं थोडं आता तुमच्या ब्रेनला आपण कामाला लावूया. ओके, कम्फर्ट झोन मधनं बाहेर या, त्यात खरी मजा आहे. चल बा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 सॉल्व कर. shown in the figure. Okay, shown in the figure directly. Find out the current in the wire BD. Find current in the wire BD. Current in wire BD. Find out current in the wire BD. Battery, point D Delhi, point C 5 ohm, point B Bombay. battery तर battery 2 ohm, point A wire BD तर wire BD 20 volt, 10 volt तर 10 volt. चलो, we have to find current in the wire BD. I will assume the current in the wire BD, but before assumption of current, let us try to assign the currents. Let us try to assign the currents, or let us try assigning the currents. थोडं इंग्लिश पण शिकूया. Which one is the bigger battery? 20 volt. Absolutely no problem if you take current from 10 volt battery. Absolutely no problem. If you find out value of current and if it comes out to be negative, it means that assumed direction is wrong. Assume any direction of current that you want. Find out the equations. Find out the current. If the value of current comes out to be negative, it means assumed direction is wrong. It means assumed direction is wrong. If the value of current comes out to be positive, it means assumed direction is right. Assumed direction is correct. 20 volt battery, but generally common sense should work. This is a 20 volt battery. This current I, this current I, the I current is moving here. It came to point B. It came to point B. Now this current I has 2 paths. One is this, another is this. Let me take this current as I1. Let me take this current as I1. Let me take this current as I2. Okay. But sir, why you are taking this current as I2? Why you are creating more variables? Don't create more variables. बाळांनो मला सांगा हे समजतंय का? If total current I came at this point and it is to be split into two parts, out of which one part is I1, remaining part should be sir I minus I1. Agree, disagree, reply me in the chat box. Do not create extra variables. Total current is I. It's going to split into two parts. First part is I1. Second part will be, don't call it as I2. Don't create extra variable. It should be I minus I1. Remaining current will flow through this branch. I minus I1. Put a bracket. Same I minus I1. Same I minus I1. Here I1. Now I1 and I minus I1 will combine at this point. I1 and I minus I1 will combine at this point. Do this addition. I1 plus I minus I1. I1 minus I1 cancel. I1 minus I1 cancel. In this addition, I1 minus I1 cancel. Answer will be I. So again, same current I will go in the battery. Again, same current I will go in the battery. This is the current allocation. To find current in the wire BD means find current I1. Find current I1. Find current I1. Okay, I'm repeating things again and again so that if you miss it, you can at least listen it to second times, third times. I1 is equal to question mark, current in the wire BD. Now if I1 comes out to be positive, assume direction of current is correct. If I1 comes out to be negative, assume direction is wrong. It should be D to B, Delhi to Bombay. If assume direction is right, current will come out to be positive, Bombay to Delhi, Bombay to Delhi. Let's see. Now, how many equations, how many unknown, what do you think? How many equations, how many unknown, what do you think? This is a game of how many equations, how many unknown. Unknown म्हणजे आपणच क्रिएट केलेल्या व्हॅल्यूज. गिवन व्हॅल्यूज ते तर नोन. आपण क्रिएट केलेल्या व्हॅल्यूज I1. These are the two variables that we created. I and I1. We don't know I and I1. So that's, and any other variable is not there. Any other unknown is not there. Only I and unknown. I and I1. This is going to be game of two equations, two unknown. So let's choose any two loops. Two loops, two equations, two unknown solvable. Reply me in the chat box. Is this question clear to all of you? We have to select two loops, then two equations, two unknown solvable. Question solved. Chalo. We can start at point D, absolutely no problem. D, C, B, D, DCBD, 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 DCBD loop. D to C काय है? रेजिस्टेंस है की बैटरी है? D to C बैटरी. We moved from D to C means we moved from negative to positive. Negative to positive, EMF is positive. What is EMF? 20 volt plus 20 volt. D to C. We moved from negative to positive. So EMF is positive. I came at point C. C to B is I into phi. I into phi means 5 into I. I into 5 means 5 into I. C to B. I moved from C to B. Current is also from C to B. I moved from C to B. Current is also from C to B. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. IR multiplication is IR multiplication negative. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Minus 5I. I came to point B, Bombay. B to D, B to D, there is nothing. B to D, there is nothing. I will write nothing. B to D, there is nothing. Only where I will write nothing. I will write nothing. I came to point D again. To D again. So there is no gain of potential, no loss of potential if you come back to the same point. त्याच पॉइंटला आलात तर एका पॉइंटला काहीतरी पोटेन्शियल आहे. लेट्स से द पोटेन्शियल at given point is this: rise up, fall down, rise up, fall. Net fall should be equal to 0. So here immediately find out I. Immediately find out I. Therefore 20 equals 5I. So I is equal to 20 upon 5. Implies that I is equal to 4 ampere. Everything in SI unit, I is equal to 4 ampere. Absolutely no problem then. Now let us choose loop. Second loop, this triangle. Bombay, A, Delhi, Bombay. B, A, D, B. Let us take the second loop. B, A, D, Bombay. B, A, D, Bombay. B to A, there is battery. B to A, there is battery. Negative to positive. I moved from B to A, means inside battery I went from negative to positive. Inside battery I went from negative to positive. Negative to positive, EMF is positive. So plus 10. Negative to positive, EMF is positive, so plus 10. I came to point A. I came to point A. A to D, A to D, current into resistance, I minus I1 into 2, means 2 into bracket I minus I1, 2 into bracket I minus I1, 2 into bracket I minus I1. I moved from A to D, I moved from A to D, I moved from A to D. And current is also A to D. Current is also A to D. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. IR multiplication is negative. So minus. So minus. I came to point D. I came to point D. I came to point D. Then D to B. D to B, there is nothing. I will write nothing. There is only wire. There is only wire. There is not resistance. Any battery is not there. Any resistance is not there. D to B, D to B, there is nothing. I will write nothing. I came to point B, Bombay. Start point, end point same. So E is equal to 0. Start point, end point same. So E is equal to 0. I already know the value of current I. Call this as equation 1. From equation 1, put value of I equal to 4 ampere. Therefore, plus 10 minus 2 into bracket 4 times I1 is equal to 0. 10 minus 8 minus into 4 is minus 8 minus plus 2 times I1 is equal to 0. 2 times I1 is equal to 0. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 plus 2 times I1 is equal to 0. So 2 times I1 is equal to minus 2. I1 is equal to minus 1 ampere. Negative sign psi GN. Negative sign. Negative sign indicates that assume direction of current. Assume direction of current is wrong. Therefore, actual current I1 will flow not from Bombay to Delhi, not from B to D, D to B, from D to B. Reply me in the chat. CW. CW. Bandwidth low येते का? Can you see the message of bandwidth low? No? Okay. Recording device is saying bandwidth low. क्या हो गया इसको? Okay. So now you will be familiar with such kind of questions. 2 equation, 2 unknown, 3 equation, 3 unknown. Just the addition of 2 more rules, current law and voltage law. Kirchhoff's current law, that is first law. Kirchhoff's second law, that is voltage law. 2 more rules and laws, rules or laws have been added in the game. So the game is same. लहानपणी तुम्ही क्रिकेट खेळताना रोज एक नवीन रूल बनवायचा ना, तसा आहे. खिडकीला लागला की आउट, बरोबर ना? Just like that game, physics is also the game. Basically, in the cricket, you have to score the runs, and here you have to solve the question. Basically, you have to solve the question. Basic rules are going to be same. Bat balls असणारच आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. त्याच्याशिवाय क्रिकेट होणार नाही. तसं 2 equation, 2 unknown, 3 equation, 3 unknown. याच्याशिवाय फिजिक्सचं गणित सॉल्व्ह होणार नाही. That funda will be there. But how to write the equations? How to strike a given ball? लेफ्ट साइडला मारायचं की राईट साइडला मारायचं की ऑफ साइडला मारायचा की 6 मारायचा की 4 मारायचा, कव्हर ड्राईव्ह खेळायची. फॉर गिवन सिच्युएशन इट डिपेंड्स. मग बॉल कसा येतोय त्याच्यावरती डिपेंडंट आहे, मग क्वेश्चन कसा आहे त्याच्यावरती डिपेंडंट आहे. काय छान छान एनालॉजी सापडली आपल्याला आज. क्रिकेट गेम अँड फिजिक्स गेम. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. In the shown circuit, the current in 25 ohm resistance and 10 ohm resistance will be. Find current in 25 ohm and 10 ohm resistance. 25 ohm and 10 ohm resistance. Chalo, let's solve this. 15, 5, 15, 10. Center 15, 10. Battery 25. 25 shorted directly, direct wire parallel to 25. Parallel to 25 direct wire. इथे मजा येईल तुम्हाला हे सॉल्व्ह करायला. डायरेक्ट वायर लावले 25 ला पॅरलल मध्ये. तशीच वायर. वायर मीन्स निग्लिजिबल रेजिस्टन्स, झिरो रेजिस्टन्स. 25 रेजिस्टन्स ला 0 ओहमचा रेजिस्टन्स पॅरलल लावलाय. इफेक्टिव्ह 2 पॉइंट शॉर्ट केलेत. 2 पॉइंट शॉर्ट केलेत म्हणजे काय? देयर इज डायरेक्ट वायर बिटवीन दीज 2 पॉइंट्स. 5 ओहम, ते ओहम असणारच आहे. ओके, दिस इज 20. आता बॅटरीचा ईएमएफ आहे, मग ते 20 म्हणजे व्होल्ट असणार आहे. परत लिहायची गरज नसली पाहिजे. 20 ओहम नाही आहे ते. इट इज गोइंग टू बी 20 व्होल्ट बिकॉज इट इज रिटन नियर दी बॅटरी. 15 and 10, 15, 10. This is also 15. This is 25. This is 15. Okay, fine. Let us assume the direction of current. Let us write down some loops and let us find out the currents. Current in the 10 ohm resistance and current in 25 ohm resistance. We want to find out. Okay, the first thing is this 25 ohm resistance is shorted. Means what? It is this. This is 25 ohm and this is 0 ohm effectively. There is nothing, there is only wire. So this is 0 ohm. And if this is the situation, this is current R1, sorry, this is resistance R1, this is resistance R2. If this total current is I, the current I comes at point, let's say X, and it has to go to point Y, and again it will come out from the point Y. Now you will say, sir, some current will go in this resistance, some current will go in this resistance. But tell me, this resistance is 0 ohm. 0 resistance. Conductance is 1 upon resistance. Conductance is 1 upon resistance. 0 resistance means 1 upon resistance, 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is infinity. So 0 resistance means conductance of the first branch G1 is equal to 1 upon R1 is equal to 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity. This branch has infinite conductance, and you know, by current division principle, current divides according to logic of conductance, according to the fraction of conductance. What is conductance of second branch? 1 upon R2. That is a finite value because R2 is non-zero. So if there is infinite conductance, what is the rule? Current in the first branch I1, current in the second branch, let's say I2. So I1 will be equal to what? My conductance upon overall conductance. My conductance G1 upon overall conductance G1 plus G2. This fraction of total current. This fraction of total current. But my conductance is very, 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 very large compared with other conductance G2. G1 is infinite. So G1 is very, 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 very large than G2. G2 is going to finite value. G1 is almost infinite. There is only wire. It has negligible resistance. So take it as 0. So G1 is very, 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 very large than G2. Implies that G1 plus G2 is equal to G1. G1 plus G2 is equal to G1 because G1 is very large. I1 is equal to G1 upon G1 multiplied by total current. G1 cancel. So my current is the total current. आलेला सगळा करंट या वायर मधनच जाईल. करंट एवढाच विचार करेल ना, जिकडे कमी रेजिस्टन्स इकडे जास्त कंडक्टन्स, इकडे कमी रेजिस्टन्स आहे इकडे जास्त कंडक्टन्स, जिकडे जास्त कंडक्टन्स तिथनं जास्त करंट. रेजिस्टन्स मध्ये लक्षात ठेवा. If current arrives at this point and if the current observes that this branch has low resistance, more current will flow through low resistance and less current will flow through high resistance. But this resistance is zero, so conductance is infinite. So entire current will flow from the wire only. No current will flow through 25 ohm. Reply me in the chat box. Agree, disagree. Entire current I will flow through the first resistance I1, which is equal to 0. यातनं काय करंट जाणारच नाही. का जाईल करंट? करंटला रेजिस्टन्स नको आहे. कमीत कमी रेजिस्टन्स वाला पाथ बघतोय. अरे 0 वाला पाथ मिळाला, सगळा करंट त्यातनं जाईल. चलो नाउ रिप्लाय एग्री डिसएग्री. येस. हाँ गुड. So I2 will be equal to I2 किती असेल? I minus I1 will be equal to I minus I. I1 is equal to I. सगळा करंट इकडनंच गेलाय. So या रेजिस्टन्स मधनं काही करंट जाणार नाही. The same situation will happen here. Why doesn't it always supply all current to least resistance? अरे करंट इक्वल टू पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स अपॉन रेजिस्टन्स ना. सगळा करंट इकडनंच का जाईल? तूच मला सांग ना, सगळा करंट इकडनंच का? इफ देर आर टू पाथ, why entire current will go through the least resistance only? लॉजिक काय आहे त्याला? What are you asking? This is R1, this is R2. From least resistance more current will flow, from more resistance small current will flow. That is okay. करंटला पाथ आहे ना, मग इकडनं पण जाणारच. Why not? करंटला पाथ आहे ना, इकडनं पण जाणारच. Why not? Why not? What's the problem? पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स आहे, चार्ज फ्लो होऊ शकतोय. पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स आहे, चार्ज फ्लो होऊ शकतोय. Absolutely no problem. This current is equal to potential difference upon resistance. This current is also equal to potential difference upon resistance. So सगळा करंट एकातच जायचं काहीच कारण नाहीये, लॉजिकच नाहीये ते. You are asking me why entire current is not flowing through least resistance. त्याला काय लॉजिकच नाहीये. जर लिस्ट रेजिस्टन्स मधनं सगळा करंट गेला असता तर लॉजिक सांगावं लागलं असतं, तेव्हा विचारू शकला असतास. If you have water here and there are two paths for the water, water will go from both the paths. Why entire water is not flowing through this path? Water will flow from higher pressure to lower pressure. Charge will flow from higher potential to lower potential. If there exists a finite resistance between the higher potential and lower potential terminal, the charge will flow. पाथ आहे ना, फायनाइट रेजिस्टन्स आहे, इन्फानाइट रेजिस्टन्स तर नाहीये. हा इन्फानाइट रेजिस्टन्स असेल, ब्लॉकच केला असेल, जाऊ शकणार नाही. पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स आहे, प्रेशर डिफरन्स आहे, but infinite resistance, it is blocked. Charge flow cannot take place, just like that water flow cannot take place. Infinite resistance to infinite resistance, there is air, non-conductor. Potential difference is existing, but current will not flow because this is infinite resistance. In that case, entire current will flow through this. That's the situation. And one more thing that you can remember is this one. If you have two resistors, first is R1 and second is R2 in parallel, this is current I, this is current I1, this is current I2. You know that this current is going to be conductance fraction of the total current. This current will be equal to conductance fraction of second branch of the total current. But directly you can write according to resistance fraction also. This current I1 is equal to R2 upon R1 plus R2. For two resistance case, this is applicable. R2 upon R1 plus R2 multiplied by total current. म्हणजे या ब्रांच मधला करंट हा रेजिस्टन्स ठरवला. रेजिस्टन्स फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड ब्रांच. रेजिस्टन्स फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड ब्रांच. Okay. Actually, it is conductance fraction of first branch. Conductance fraction of first branch असं कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं असते. But after rearrangement, you get resistance fraction of second branch. I1 काढताना R2 upon R1 plus R. आणि I2 काढताना for I2 resistance fraction of first branch. R1 upon R1 plus R. These are also short tricks which you can use. And if you use this trick, assuming that R1 equal to 0 because there is direct wire and R2 equal to 25. Now let us calculate current I1. You will observe that I1 will come out to be equal to I. Check. This R2 value is what? 25. R1 value is what? 0. R2 value is what? 25. So 25 upon 25 cancel 1. So I1 equal to I1 equal to I. Entire current will flow through zero resistance path. And in this case R2 madla current I2. R1 equal to 0. R1 equal to 0. R1 equal to 0. R2 equal to 25. 0 upon 25. 0. 0 into I1, 0. This way also, you can say that this current I2 will be equal to 0. Got it? Reply me in the chat box. Next. So current through 25 ohm resistance, answer is 0. Direct write down. This extra point is over now. Solution. As 25 ohm resistance is shorted by wire. Shorted by wire चे meaning काय? 0 ohm resistance connected in parallel to 25 ohm. So no current will flow from 25 ohm resistance because it is shorted. This resistance has been shorted. Short केला तो. This point direct connect केला म्हणजे short. Fine, no problem. Now you can forget about this resistance because ज्या resistance मधनं current नाही, you can forget that resistance. Equivalent circuit. Point A, B, C, D, E. Point A, B, C, D, E. 15. Battery. 20 volt. 15 ohm. 10 ohm. 15 ohm, 25 ohm. Forget about it because in this branch there is no current. So ज्या branch मध्ये current नाही, forget about that branch. Draw this branch DE. Only wire DE. Draw this branch. Only wire DE. Forget about 25. 5. 15. That's it. This is point E. Next, let us try to assign the currents and let us try to write the equations. Point D and point E both are same points. You can still draw somewhat simplified circuit if you want. If you observe carefully, we want to find out current in 10 ohm resistance. We want to find out current in 10 ohm resistance. So keep this resistance intact. Keep this resistance intact. Don't modify this resistance, but other resistances you can modify. You can simplify the circuit. Before applying the laws, you can simplify the circuit. This 5 and 15 both are parallel. Why? Because point E and D both are same and point E is common. A to E, A to D. But these 2 points are same and this point is also same. So दोन्ही resistance एकमेकांना parallel मध्ये आहेत 5 and 15. R3 are parallel. R3 are parallel. Answer is 3R upon 4. Therefore 5, 15 parallel. R3R parallel. Answer is 3R upon 4. 3R value is 15 upon 4. So instead of these two, you can draw the resistance of 4 ohm. Instead of these two, you can draw the resistance of 4 ohm. We want to find current from 10 ohm resistance. Keep that resistance intact. Do not add that, subtract that resistance with any other resistance. Okay? Don't combine it in series or parallel combination. Keep it intact. Others you can combine. Other resistances you can combine. We will try to simplify the circuit and then we'll use Kirchhoff's current law. It is also called as KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, or Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. The boards also you use this short form. Absolutely no problem. So distance between point A and E, A and E or A and D and E points are same. So you can draw the simplified circuit. Point D and point E both are same. So right here D comma E. This is point A. This is point B Bombay. This is point C. 15 ohm. 15 ohm between B and C. 10 ohm between C and E. C and E 10 ohm. D and E both points are same. 15 ohm between C and D. C and D 15 ohm. Parallel resistance. 5 and 15 effective parallel combination is 15 by 4. You can do R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. 15 पण A आणि E मध्येच आहे आणि 5 पण A आणि E मध्येच आहे का? Because point D and point E both are same, so these two are parallel. So between A and D, this is the parallel combination, which is equal to 15 by 4. Between A and D, it's a 15 by 4. All resistances draw करून झाले. Between points B and E, battery of 20 volts. B and E, battery of 20 volts with positive terminal to E and negative terminal to B Bombay. Negative terminal to B Bombay, 20 volt battery. 20 volt battery. Okay, fine. Now let us try to write down, or let us try to simplify this circuit. What you can do is this. You can simply say that between points D and B Bombay, DAB is a single branch. DAB is a single branch. Same current will flow here. or from B to A to D, or from D to A to B. Current असा तर move in or असा move in. Ultimately, it is a single branch. People in the single branch are in series. People in the single branch are in series. Now you want to find out current through 10 ohm resistance. Now you can apply Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law. You can add these two resistance and find out effective resistance between D and B Bombay or DAB branch. These two are in series. But I am not going to add them right now. I am going to assign the currents because I want to find current in the 10 ohm resistance using the Kirchhoff's laws and not current division principle and voltage division principle. I am not going to use current division or voltage division principle. You can do that also. You can find out effective this resistance. Then you can find out potential difference between these 2 points. Because this resistance and 15 ohm resistance are going to be in series. This 20 volt will be split something across this resistance, remaining across this resistance. Once you get this potential difference upon 10 ohm, you can get the current. That way is also possible. But let us use Kirchhoff's current law and voltage law. Let's say this is current I. Let's say this current is equal to I1. So here we want to find out I1. This remaining current by Kirchhoff's current law, this current can be directly written as, no need to write I2, right? I minus I1. This current is I, out of which I1 is here. So remaining current I minus I1. Same current will flow I minus I1 through this resistance. It will come here. Let it come. Then this current must be equal to I. This is I minus I1. Fine. This is I1. No, sir. This is I1. This current I will split into 3 parts. I1, I2, and then this. Yes, no, reply me in the chat box. There are 3 parts for this I1, for this I1, I2, and then remaining. I1, I2, and then remaining. So what we can do is I1, I2, and this current, you just make a strike on it. Simply एक रेश मारून कोडा आणि परत इथं लिहा I मधला एक I1 इथं गेलाय, so minus I1, I2 इथं गेलाय, so minus I2. So now the remaining current will go through this branch. जो काय करंट I आहे त्यातला I1 इकडे गेलाय, so minus I1, I2 इकडे गेलाय, so minus I2. This is the remaining current. It will flow in this branch. So I minus I1 minus I2. I minus I1 minus I2. Same current I1 will flow like this. Same current I2 will flow like this. I1 and I2 will combine. It will form I1 plus I2. I1 and I2 will combine here at point C. It will form I1 plus I2. It will move up. It will come to point B. I1 plus I2. Now at point B, this current and this current will combine. Addition of these two currents, minus I1 plus I1 cancel, 0. Minus I1 plus I1, 0. Minus I2 plus I2, 0. Minus I2 plus I2, 0. Minus I1 plus I1, 0. Minus I2 plus I2, 0. Only I current will be this remaining current. These two currents will get added and it will create I current once again. This is how current should be allocated. पहिल्यांदा current allocation clear होऊ दे. This is how you can allocate the currents. Now we are not using current division principle or voltage division principle to find out current. We are using Kirchhoff's current law and voltage law. Current allocation is generated. Current allocation is done or generated with the help of Kirchhoff's current law. Current law वापरलाय. जो काय करंट I आलाय त्यातला I1 इकडे गेलाय, I2 इकडे गेलाय, म्हणजेच रिमेनिंग इकडनं जाईल. It means remaining current, that is I minus I1 minus I2, and this is the remaining current. I minus I1 minus I2, that is the remaining current. This is how we are using Kirchhoff's current law. And now it's time to use Kirchhoff's voltage law. For time being, you can call this point as F, so that you can write down the loops properly. Now what you can do is this: you want to find out I1. You want to find out I1. Okay. So we have to write 3 equations and 3 unknown. We have to write 3 equations and 3 unknown. So what I can do is this. I have to write 3 loops. Okay. So D, A, B, D. This loop. Second loop, B, D, C, B. Second loop. Third loop, D, C, F, D. D, C, F, D. In this way, any 3 loops you can choose wisely. Okay. छोटे छोटे loops घेतलेले बरं असतं कधी. Let us take D, A. Now this is going to be the game of 3 equations, 3 unknown. Bol Aditya, you are raising the hand. Bol. Tell me. How I minus I1 minus I2 came? I minus I1 minus I2 कसा आला? बर. Battery has given the current I. त्यातला थोडा करंट I1 इकडे गेलाय, थोडा करंट I2 इकडे गेलाय. इकडनं किती जाईल? इकडनं तुला 500 रुपये दिले गेले. तू या कामासाठी 200 रुपये वापरलेस, या कामासाठी 5 रुपये वापरलेस, लेट्स से 50 रुपये वापरलेस. या कामासाठी किती पैसे वापरशील? 500 मधले किती संपले? 200 आणि 50. Out of 500, 200 you spent, 50 you spent. This is what is remaining with you. So that will be spent for this task. Money flow, charge flow. Charge flow is called as current. Clear? Next. सर मग 500 रुपये कधी देता? Next. Loop D, A, B, D. D to A. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. We are moving from D to A. Current is also from D to A. Potential difference कसा काढणार? Current into resistance. Current काय? I minus I1 minus I2 into 15/4. Means 15/4 into bracket I minus I1 minus I2. Current into resistance in the direction of current. D to A means in the direction of current. In the direction of current, voltage is negative, so minus. Then A to B. A to B. A to B means again in the direction of current. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Current into resistance. Resistance is 15. Current is I minus I1 minus I2. You came to point B. You came to point B. B to D. B to D. You moved from negative to positive terminal of the battery. Negative to positive, EMF is positive. Negative to positive, EMF is positive. Negative to positive आलाय तुम्ही. B to D. D to B गेला असता तर positive to negative. In that case, EMF is negative. Positive to negative, EMF is negative. But it is from B to D. B to D. B to D means here right now it is you are moving inside the battery from negative to positive, so EMF is positive plus 20. You again came back to the same point D, so is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So I minus I1 minus I2. I minus I1 minus I2 common. I minus I1 minus I2 common. in the bracket minus 15 minus 15 by 4 minus 15, or take this minus 15 common, take this minus 15 minus 15 also common. Here what remains? 1 by 4 plus already minus 15 common, so plus 1. This 20 on the right hand side minus 20, 20 on the right hand side minus 20. This minus cancel. This 15 into bracket I minus I1 minus I2. 1 by 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 is equal to 20. Minus minus cancel. This 15 into 5 upon 4 on the right hand side. So I minus I1 minus I2 is equal to this 4 on the right hand side. So 20 to 4 upon this 5 on the right hand side, this 15 on the right hand side. 5 into 4 is 20. So 4 into 4 upon 15. That is equal to 16 by 15. I minus I1 minus I2 is equal to 16 by 15. This is the first equation between these three variables. 3 unknown मतलब पहिला equation. बोला yes no. एक loop एक equation. One loop one equation. Tell me yes no. Two more loops, two more equations. Then three equations, three unknown. Same game. Next loop. Delhi, Bombay, C, Delhi. Delhi, Bombay, C, Delhi. Delhi to Bombay, battery. We are moving Delhi to Bombay. Positive to negative. Battery आली ना मध्ये. Positive to negative EMF, negative. Positive to negative. We are moving Delhi to Bombay. Positive to negative EMF, negative. We came to point B, Bombay. We came to point B, Bombay. B to C, current into resistance. We are moving from B to C, current is from C to B. So we are moving opposite to the current. In the direction of current, voltage is negative. Opposite direction of current, voltage is positive. So I1 plus I2 into 15. So positive. 15 into bracket I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2 into 15 will be positive because we are moving opposite to current. We came to point C. C to D. C to D. I1 into 10 means 10 I1. C to D means 10 I1. We are moving from C to D. We are moving opposite to the current. We are moving opposite to the current. So voltage is positive. Is equal to. You came to point D once again. You came to point D once again. ज्या पॉइंटला स्टार्ट केलं त्याच पॉइंटला पोहोचलात is equal to 0. Fine. This minus 20 on the right hand side plus 20. 15 I1 plus 15 I2 plus 10 I1 is equal to 20. 15 I1 plus 10 I1, 25 I1 plus 15 I2 is equal to 20. Divide by 5. 5 I1 plus 3 I2 is equal to 20. This is second equation between I1, I2, I3. आता I3 नहीं है तभी. But you will get 3 loops, 3 equations, 3 unknown. CW. Sir, is equal to 4. So 20 upon 5 is equal to 4. Yes, is equal to 4. CW. Now third loop, third equation, game over. बोला. Tell me. Sir, is this a typical type of problem? Yes. Fundamental. These are fundamentals. Kirchhoff's current law, voltage law. These laws you are going to use in the upcoming circuits also. एकदा ह्याच्यावरती होल्ड येऊ दे. थ्री इक्वेशन थ्री अननोन वेळ लागतो. ऍटलीस्ट इट विल टेक 1 minute. थोडं सर्किट आम्ही 4 5 6 7 रेजिस्टन्स देणार, 4 5 ब्रांचेस देणार, 4 5 लूप देणार, त्यातले कुठलेही 3 लूप तुम्ही घेणार. And then you will write three equations, three unknown, in the direction of current, opposite direction of current, inside cell, outside cell, negative to positive, positive to negative. पहिल्यांदा याच्यावरती होल्ड येऊ दे. मग ऍक्च्युअली ना असं बघून इक्वेशन लिहिता येते. ओके, काय प्लस लिहायचंय काय मायनस लिहायचं हे आपोआप माइंड मध्ये होतं. एवढं करत बसायला लागत नाही. वी आर मुव्हिंग इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. काय कळतेच ना, वी आर मुव्हिंग इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. लिहा ना डायरेक्टली मायनस साइन. कळते ना, निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह चालला, ईएमएफ पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचा आहे. एक बोट सर्किट मध्ये ठेवायचं, दुसऱ्या हाताने इक्वेशन लिहायचं. करंट इंटू रेजिस्टन्स, प्लस घ्यायचा मायनस घ्यायचा, इथे यायचं निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह, ईएमएफ पॉझिटिव्ह. एक बोट सर्किट मध्ये फिरवायचं, दुसऱ्या हाताने इक्वेशन लिहायचं. असं करायचं असेल पेन पेपर जेव्हा तुमच्याकडे असतो तेव्हा. स्क्रीनवर असेल तर स्क्रीनवर करायचं, पण एक बोट स्क्रीनवरती, एक बोट तुम्ही इक्वेशन लिहायसाठी पेज वरती ठेवाल. जनरली कसं असतं, जेव्हा क्वेश्चन पेपर मध्ये डायग्राम दिली जाते ऑफलाईन असेल तर, तेव्हा काय होतं, क्वेश्चन पेपर वरती हे सगळं ड्रॉ करणं पॉसिबल नसते जेवढं आता आपण ड्रॉ केलं. इन दॅट केस सर्किट परत काढावं लागते. ओके, क्वेश्चन पेपरवर ड्रॉ करायला जेवढी जागा नसेल तर सर्किट तुम्हाला परत पेपरवरती काढावं लागते. आणि ऑनलाईनला तर 100% सर्किट काढावं लागते. हा, अगदी सिंपल असेल तर इन दॅट केस नाही. पण I1 I2 I3 I मायनस I1 मायनस I2 वगैरे असलं काही करायचं असेल तर तिथं स्क्रीनवरती लिहू शकत नाही. इन दॅट केस इमिजिएटली ड्रॉ द सर्किट. पण ते ड्रॉ करताना जनरली मुलांच्या कशा मिस्टेक्स होतात, 15 लिहिलं असते 5 लिहून टाकतात, 20 असते 2 लिहून टाकतात, असं जनरली मिस्टेक होते. सर्किट व्यवस्थित ड्रॉ करून घ्या. गिव्हन परफेक्टली ज्या काय व्हॅल्यूज आहेत परफेक्टली आल्या पाहिजे. ओके, these are the scenarios we have already observed with the students. त्यातनं तुम्ही शहाणं व्हायचंय. चलो फाइन, नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन, नेक्स्ट लूप, one more loop and that's it. Now which branch is remaining? This branch, at least I think this branch is remaining. So you can take this loop, outside loop. पण एवढं मोठं कशाला, ही ब्रांच रिमेनिंग आहे ना, मग त्याला इन्क्लूड करणारी इथल्या इथे एक लूप तयार होतो, इथल्या इथे एक ब्रांच तयार होतो, सॉरी इथल्या इथे एक लूप तयार होतो. या ही ब्रांच रिमेनिंग आहे, बाकी सगळे रेजिस्टन्स घेऊन झाले. हा, डी दिल्ली, सी एफ दिल्ली. नुसतं असं नाही लिहायचं डी सी डी, लक्षात येत नाही ते. डी सी, मग परत इथनच परत डी ला आलाय का, नाही. डी सी एफ डी, डी सी एफ डी. So for that you need one extra point F. ठीक है. D to C, in the direction of current, voltage negative, so minus 10 I1. D to C. Then C to F, C to F, opposite direction of current. कळतंय, C to F, current तिकडे आहे. We are moving C to F, current is F to C, current is F to C, we are moving from C to F. So in the opposite direction of current, voltage is positive, plus 15 I2. We came to point F. F to D, F to D, there is nothing, I will write nothing. I came to point D again. I came to point D again is equal to 0. So this is the third equation, or you can divide by 5. So fine, 3 equations, 3 unknown. 3 equation, 3 unknown, out of which you want to find only I1. Out of which you want to find only I1. So forget about this first equation. Here, forget about this first equation. Focus only on equation 2 because it is between I1 and I2, and equation 3. So if you focus only on equation 2 and 3, I1 and I2 variable is here, I1 and I2 variable is here, 2 equation 2 unknown, इथंच गेम ओव्हर करा, तिसऱ्या इक्वेशन मध्ये जाऊ नका, because you want to find out I1. As we want to find I1, जेवढे विचारले तेवढेच एफर्ट्स घ्या मला. We want to find I1, use equation 2 and 3 as 2 equation 2 unknown problem. इक्वेशन 2 आणि 3 ला 2 इक्वेशन 2 अननोन प्रॉब्लेम घ्या, त्यात पण I1 पाहिजे ना, मग I2 ला इलिमिनेट करा, एका इक्वेशन मधनं I2 ची व्हॅल्यू काढा, डायरेक्टली दुसऱ्या इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट करा, I1 मिळवा, कारण I1च विचारलाय, बिकॉज यू आर आस्क्ड ओनली I1. I2 काढणार मग I1 काढणार नको, पहिलाच I1 काढा ना, मग I2 ला इलिमिनेट करा, यातनं I2 ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळते चेक करा, रिअरेंज करून पुट दॅट I2 व्हॅल्यू हियर, गेट द आन्सर. रिप्लाय मी इन द चॅट बॉक्स. Is this question clear to all of you? You have to do this on your own. CW. Are the things taught in today's lecture? All the things. Current law, voltage law, and its types questions. Sign convention, writing equations, everything. Can we take loop DB, CF, D dash? D, B, C, F, D. Yes, you can take that, because this was the only remaining branch, and that branch you have to include so that you can get a third equation. तीन इक्वेशन मिळवायला तीन वेगवेगळ्या ब्रांचेस घेतल्या पाहिजे. एकदा घेऊन झालं होतं, हे दोघं राहिले होते, या दोघांना एकदा घेऊन झाले, हे राहिले, त्यामुळे याला इन्क्लूड करणारा कुठलेही चालेल. दिस इज ओके, दिस इज ओके, बट इफ यू डू दॅट, इफ यू टेक दिस लूप, that will bring I in the equation, so that will create a 3 equation 3 unknown problem. I took this loop so that reduce to 2 equation 2 unknown problem. असं पण समजून घ्यायचा प्रयत्न करा. चलो, so in this lecture we are going to stop at this point. Okay, I won't come, no resistance. What are you saying, Vansh? Can we take loop TB, CF, D dash? Yes. What do you want to say, Ansh? काय झालं बाळ? That loop, no resistance in their in path. एक मिनिट, मला one current path. Let me read. काय म्हणतेस बघूया. Sir, in that loop, no resistance is there in is path. Is there current in the path? Is there current in the path? नाही, मला समजत नाहीये. कॉल कर बाळ मला, म्हणजे मला तुला सांगता येईल. असं म्हणायचंय का ज्या ब्रांच मध्ये रेजिस्टन्स नाही त्या ब्रांच मध्ये करंट असेल का? असू शकेल, वायर मधनं करंट असतो. इथे कुठे रेजिस्टन्स? एफ आणि डी मध्ये रेजिस्टन्स नाहीये, पण करंट असेल की, वायर आहे, इकडनं करंट आलायस की, दॅट विल फ्लो, चार्ज फ्लो विल बी पॉसिबल. That is possible. Done? Fine. So guys, good day to all of you, and join your next lecture. Now you can leave the meeting. Okay? Otherwise you can just leave the meeting. Doubt असेल, call me or just message me so that we can schedule the call. Okay? Chalo, bye bye everyone. Let me end this section at this point. Have a good day and nice day to all of you. Chalo, bye. Yes, Shwet. Bye bye.